Hi everyone. In this video, we'll connect the Smart Temperature and Humidity Sensor to our app in just a few simple steps. First, reset and prepare the digital monitor by long pressing the power button for 5 to 8 seconds until the Wi-Fi signal on the panel starts blinking. This means the device is in pairing mode. Next, connect the digital monitor to the Freshin Smart Life app. Open the app on your phone and tap Add Device. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The app will search for nearby devices within about 20 seconds. Once your device appears, select it, enter your Wi-Fi password, and wait for the connection to complete. Now the digital monitor is connected to the app. To add the additional sensors, open the device page in the app and tap the plus icon to add a sensor. Remove the back cover of the sensor to install the batteries. Then long press the black button in the corner while pairing. The app will detect the sensor within 10 seconds and then add the sensor to the product page as well. And that's it. Once connected, you can monitor temperature and humidity in real time directly from your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.